Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and all honorable judges. In this occasion, I'd like to tell you a story by the title Cindelaras. Have you ever heard about that story? Okay, I'll tell you about it. A long time ago, there was a kingdom named Cindelaras. It was led by a king named Raden Putra. He had a beautiful queen and a concubine. The queen was so kind, but the concubine had a bad personalities. One day, the concubine planned to let the queen leave the palace. Then asked the royal healer to help her. One morning, she pretended to be ill. Ouch! My stomach! It hurts!
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm the participant of number 20. Good morning, the honorable juries and all my beloved friends. First of all, let's say thanks to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, who always gives us enormous grace that we can attend in this forum in a good situation. Hello everybody! Have you ever heard the handsome prince who had a Besar dog? We could say and fight bravely? Yes, here I'd like to tell you a story with entitled Cindelaras. Ladies and gentlemen, a long time ago, there was a kingdom named Cindelaras. It was led by a king named Raden Putra. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Dear juries and audience, good morning. I am participant number 57. In this happy occasion, I will tell the story titled Cindelaras. Have you ever heard it? Well, long time ago, there lived Raden Putra, the king of Cindelaras kingdom. He had a beautiful queen and a concubine. Unlike the queen, the concubine had bad personalities. She was jealous with the queen and planned to make the queen leave the palace. She asked the royal healer to help her in her plan. One day, she pretended to be ill. Raden Putra called the royal healer. What is her disease? Raden Putra asked the royal healer. I'm very sorry, my majesty.
One day, the concubine pretended to be ill. Raden Putra called the royal healer to give the concubine treatments. What is her disease? Raden Putra asked the royal healer. I am very sorry, my majesty. She is sick because the queen put poison in her meal. The royal healer lied. Raden Putra was shocked and angry to hear the explanation. He called the queen and asked her if the story was true. Of course, the queen denied. But Raden Putra won't listen. Please, your majesty, have mercy. I really didn't do anything, cried the queen in her tears.
What is your disease?
I'm very sorry, my majesty. She is sick because the queen put poison in her meal.
What?
Raden Putra was shocked and then returned her death without listening to the queen's explanation. He commanded one of his generals to banish the queen to the woods and next to kill her. The king didn't know that she had already been pregnant at the time. Because of it, the white general didn't kill her, but he built a simple house in the woods for her. On his way back to the palace, he shimmered his sword with rabbit's blood to make the king believe.
Assalamualaikum Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. How are you today? Okay. I want to tell you a story about Cindelaras. Raden Putra was the king of Cindela kingdom. He had a beautiful queen. Besides that, the king also had a beautiful concubine. Unlike the queen, the concubine had bad personalities. She was jealous with the queen, so she planned to make the queen leave the village. By doing so, she could be the new queen. Of course, I have to make a plan to make the queen leave this village. Come on, brain, take the plane.
One day, the queen was very happy because she was pregnant. You know what? She was surprised Raden Putra with the good news. But one day, listened and improved his concubine. The concubine got very angry. What? No. It can't be happy. Give back to Raden Putra. It's my dream, Dayang. It's my dream. Not her. It's my dream. She called the royal healer and then something made it sing. And then she go, ha 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 ha. And guys, did you know what happened after that? The bad news spread around Cindela kingdom. The news that the concubine was guilty.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, good morning. I am the participant number 49. On this occasion, I'd like to tell you about the story of Cindelaras. A long time ago, there was a kingdom named Cindelaras. It was led by a king named Raden Putra. He had a beautiful queen and a concubine. The queen was so kind, but the concubine had a bad personality. One day, the concubine planned to make the queen out of the palace. Then asked the royal healer to help her. One morning, the concubine pretended to be ill. Raden Putra asked the royal healer to examine her.
Is Cindelaras. He lived in the woods. He's the son of Raden Putra, king of Cindela. Raden Putra asked, "Is it true?" "Yes, my majesty. My name is Cindelaras, and my mother was the queen," said Cindelaras. Hearing that, Raden Putra told the guard who had banished the queen. The guard confessed that he never killed the queen. Later, the royal healer also admitted his mistake. The king was shocked and sent the concubine to jail as punishment. He immediately went to the woods to pick up the queen. Ever since, Cindelaras and his parents lived happily ever after. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's the end of my story. Hope all of you enjoyed it. Goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.